Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Honor Pad 9, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. To do that, firstly, you need to open the control panel and disable all unnecessary features like Wi-Fi if you don't use it right now, and Bluetooth. Then reduce screen brightness, and the last thing you can do is to disable location services and of course enable the power saving mode. As you can see, I have no power saving mode here, so to find power saving mode you have another way: open battery settings and click power saving mode. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye, see you.